Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can sync Google or Gmail contacts to the iPhone contacts app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we go down and then tap on Contacts. Next in here, tap on Accounts. And then tap on Add Account. Next, tap on Google. Now put in the email address or phone number. So put in the email address. So I'm just gonna put in the email address, for example, at gmail.com. And then you put in the next button, tap on the next button. Next we put in the password. So here we need to confirm that we are not a robot. And then tap on next. And in here we need to put in the account password. Once you put in the correct account password, then you will go next to this page here. So it goes into your account and it shows Gmail as another account. In here you tap on Gmail to expand the menu. And then in here, tap on Contacts. Make sure it is switch on. By default, it is turned on. However, if you find that it is switch off, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And once you turn it on, you will be able to sync Gmail or the Google Contacts to your local iPhone Contacts app. And that's it. That is how you can sync Google Contacts to your iPhone Contacts app. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.